How to write a pop song. Have you ever listened to a hit song on the radio and imagined writing something similar? You can start writing your own pop song right away if you have a little imagination, some basic musical ability, and a fondness for metaphors. Since many artists write hundreds of pop songs each year but only release 8 to 10, not every one of them is a hit. However, with consistent practice, you can improve as a pop songwriter and eventually produce a potential hit. 1. Look for motivation or influence. A song's purpose is to convey a message. Give it some time. This could be very straightforward or extremely complex, but it must originate from somewhere and have personal significance for you. Coffee shops, where lovers and/or friends gather, converse, kiss, and engage, are some of the best locations where people look for inspiration. Others enjoy writing songs while walking through the woods, where they may hear birds chirping and take in the incredible solemnity of nature. 2. Generate several concepts. When you go in search of inspiration, take a sheet of paper and a pencil or pen with you. Write down a word or two that best describes anything intriguing you hear, touch, smell, or see. If I hear a bird calling in the woods, I might write down, feather, echo, call, hear me. 3. Concentrate your thoughts on a single issue. Writing a song about love, death, depression, working, dreams, and discovering who you are is not what you want to do. One of those will help your listeners' attention later on and works very well. Start by crossing off terms from your lists of arbitrary words. 4. Rephrase an old phrase in a fresh way. Every subject, including love, grief, happiness, longing, hope, reliability, etc., has already been covered in songs. The secret is to either add something new to the conversation or phrase it in a novel way. 5. Create an outline for your lyrics. Concern yourself more with creating your lyrics in entire sentences than with rhyming them just yet. Build your sentence around your key words by using energetic verbs, adjectives, etc. Write your lyrics as though they were a screenplay. Have lots of fun. Good luck, mate. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.